The apartment market in Virginia Beach, Norfolk is putting up some unique numbers of late, strong occupancy rates, but still very limited rent growth. Welcome to Apartment Market Dynamics from MPF Research. I'm Jay Parsons, your update from Hampton Roads to Tidewater-area, or whatever you want to call it. All right, let's start things off with occupancy rates. And as you can see from this chart, apartment occupancy is pretty much back to pre-recession levels, 95.1%. That is one of the better rates in the south region of the country, and it is up 0.6 points year over year. And we'll dig into those numbers a little more in a bit. But first, let's look at pricing trends. And not much rent growth. Same-store rents are up just 0.8% in the past year. And what this chart shows us is that this metro wasn't cutting rents much during the downturn. You see losses never got deeper than 1.9%. But since the market turned in 2010, apartment operators have kept growth at very minimal levels despite those strong occupancy rates that you saw. And as you can see, as of third quarter 2011, Virginia Beach, Norfolk has one of the nation's weakest numbers for year-over-year rent change. Las Vegas, of course, is at the bottom, and West Palm Beach is just a notch below the Hampton Roads area at 0.7% growth. Okay, so let's dig a little deeper into those occupancy numbers, and we're going to show you a table with occupancy rates by submarkets. Very tight rates, as you can see, in Chesapeake, Norfolk, Williamsburg, Jamestown, Portsmouth, Suffolk, and Virginia Beach, all around 96 to 97%. But look at the bottom two, Newport News and Hampton-Puckwesson, both submarkets located on the north side of the bay, and both at just 92.8% occupancy. And those areas do tend to be more affordable submarkets over there on the other side. Now let's get to year-over-year rent change by submarket. And what you're going to see here is that even where occupancy rates are in great shape, rent growth has been very limited. I should point out the two outliers on each end of this list, Chesapeake and Williamsburg, Jamestown, those are areas with not a lot of apartment products, so that makes them vulnerable to some big shifts. That's why you see those numbers there. But in those larger submarkets, you can see that rent growth is reaching 3 to 4% at best in Norfolk and Virginia Beach. And even those numbers come in below the national average of 4.3%. And on the northern side of the metro in Newport News and Hampton-Puckwesson, rents are still falling about 1% annually. One problem for this metro has been the economy. The market is still losing jobs, and it's been hurt especially by cutbacks in the military and the very important trade sector. And as we get into 2012, the economy should improve, and that should allow operators to push rental rates a little bit more, but probably not as much as we would normally expect to see with occupancy rates that tight. And that wraps up for Virginia Beach, Norfolk. So until next time, for Apartment Market Dynamics and MPF Research, I'm Jay Parsons. Thank you for watching.
Want more? Go deeper with MPF Research's apartment market reports. From a national level, down to individual metros, to specific neighborhoods, MPF Research has been providing unparalleled apartment market intelligence to the multifamily industry for almost 5 decades. Learn more by contacting us at 877-284-4938 or visit www.npfresearch.com and click on Market Reports.